10 must-have annuals for your garden. Are you looking for annual plants for your garden? Do you want a plant that is perfect for you? Well, don't worry, because we're here to guide you through the journey. An annual plant completes its growing cycle in the course of a single season. It grows from seeds, produces flowers, and produces seeds in a short period. Of course, this is just the basic definition, so there is a lot more to annuals. Some annuals are more adaptable to changing weather than others. Some annuals can't even stand the sight of frost, while others adjust quite easily in colder temperatures. This is one of the best things about planting annuals, as you get to choose what suits you the best. So how does one choose the perfect annual for their garden? It's simple. Make a list of all the things you want from your garden, and whichever plant checks off the most boxes, that's the one to go with. Your criteria can include height, sun exposure, type of soil, fragrance, or even type of foliage. So let's get into them. New Guinea Impatiens. New Guinea Impatiens might be the perfect plant for your garden. If you're looking for something easy to grow with a beautiful, colorful bloom, they are the way to go. This plant is a fan favorite because it's easy to grow and perfect for beginners. This flowering plant takes off from the minute it is planted. They will bloom from the start of spring to the beginning of frost. When the plant needs watering, it will start to droop, which will let the owner know of its needs. Convenient, right? The plant comes in every color except pink, white, red, and purple, and in many different shapes. You can choose whichever one you like. Petunias. Petunias are a staple in most summer gardens, making them one of the most popular annuals. They are easy to care for and can tolerate drought and heat. The flowers come in a variety of colors, including pink, white, purple, red, and blue, and they have gorgeous, dramatic blooms. They'd be perfect for a summer garden, but this plant will also look gorgeous in pots and hanging baskets. Calibrachoa, also known as million bells. This plant is most popular for growing outdoors. This plant is bound to light up your garden. It comes in a variety of colors and textures, like stripes and patterns. It's planted in the spring season and gives you beautiful blooms throughout the summer season. This plant will thrive in a shady area, but can also adapt to full sun. It comes in the colors coral, yellow, orange, pink, red, blue, and many more. Plus, it's a fast grower. Geraniums. Growing this plant in your garden will provide you with a burst of color and fragrance throughout summer. They come in classic summer colors like pink, red, purple, and white. And if planted in April or May, it will give you flowers from May to October. This plant is perfect for areas that have bright sunlight, and it requires well-drained soil. It's the perfect plant for beginners as it is easy to take care of. Marigolds. Marigolds are beautiful, bright-colored flowers that are a fan favorite for a summer garden. They come in mainly yellow and orange colors, and in occasional red or off-white. Their foliage has beautiful fragrance, and the flowers will stay with you for the whole summer. There are many variants of marigolds, but the most popular one is calendula, which can tolerate some frost, which makes them extremely easy to grow. Marigolds are excellent plants for attracting insects, and thus increasing population in the whole garden. Zinnias. This easy-to-grow plant is perfect for beginners. It blooms quickly and is a treat to the eyes. The plant will bloom for a whole season and produce seeds, but the original plant won't come back for the next season. Zinnias have a flower head similar to daisies and an erect stem to give them dimension. Zinnias come in three main types: the single-flowered zinnia, the double-flowered zinnia, and the semi-doubled flower zinnia. All three of the types are great for a summer garden. Vincas. Vincas, also known as periwinkle, is the perfect annual if you're looking for something heat and drought tolerant. It's perfect for hot and dry areas. This plant reseeds itself every year and provides gorgeous flowers all summer up to frost. The most common color it comes in are white, pink, rose, and red. Begonia. This plant is long-lasting and will give your garden a burst of color with its neon-colored flowers. These flowers are perfect if your garden doesn't receive direct sunlight or is in a shady spot. Begonias have many types, but wax begonias and angel wing begonias are the most popular outdoor annuals. Salvias. These summer flowers come in a vast range of colors and shapes and are extremely attractive to pollinating insects like bees, butterflies, and many more. They flower from mid-summer to the beginning of fall and have a beautiful fragrance. The most popular colors for salvias are blue, red, purple, orange, pink, and yellow. Cosmos. Cosmos are the perfect annuals for many reasons. They attract bees, butterflies, and many other pollinating insects that end up benefiting the whole garden. They are easy to grow, even in hot and dry conditions. The cosmos bloom lasts several months, and the flowers will self-sow. The flowers are edible and will brighten up your salads. And cosmos are drought-tolerant, making them easy to grow, especially for beginner gardeners. Even the pests don't seem to bother this plant. At the end of the day, the flowers you pick depends on your living conditions and surroundings. Before getting an annual, ask yourself the following questions. What color do I want? Where will I plant them? How much time am I willing to give to the garden? What is the temperature in my area? How frequently will it rain? And after answering these questions, compare them to the annuals mentioned in this video and pick whichever flower suits you best. Let us know in the comments below which annual you love growing. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget that life is better when you garden.